Hi, engineering students. This is Mr. Barron. Hope you're well. This is a real quick lesson on how I got the measurements for your piece for the ROV. So first of all, I use the caliper to get my measurements. The way a caliper works is when it's closed, 0 lines up to 0, and as you pull out to match the height of something, it's basically like using a ruler, and then wherever the 0 mark comes to on your ruler head, that's the length of it. So it would be, this one would be 25 millimeters. If you're using inches, you go to the other side, and the other 0 mark lines up over here. So that's for this one. And the reason why a caliper is really good, you don't want to have to necessarily use it for straight line measurements, but it's perfect for measuring circles because it's designed so you can reach the outside of the circle, and then you can measure the outside diameter of the circle. So I'm looking at this one as being 22 millimeters is the outside diameter. Now to do the inside diameter, the other side of the caliper is what you would use because it goes outward and hits the flat sides there. And so that's how we know we've reached the outside, the inside diameter is when it's reached there. And I came up with 32 is the inside diameter on the bigger one. I did the same thing for the smaller one. I'll give you all the heights and measurements and stuff, but basically I did the same thing there. The inside diameter, if my guess is you're going to use this for a hydraulic syringe or something, or a tubing, so this might need to be a little bit more precise than the outside diameter. One of the outside diameters was like in between like the millimeter marking, so I rounded up so it would be a thicker wall. And then here to get the inside of that gap, you could measure because it's the same idea as using that, but I can just use the caliper and I ended up with 6 millimeters as the gap. So I'll put all this together for you, but that's how to use the caliper, and we'll talk about it later.